Hi everyone, today I came with another toolkit small unboxing video. This is the tool is like a Bosch professional cordless screwdriver, and if you see the box you can see clearly what and all the basic features and all they will reveal on top of the box. It is comes with 3.6 volts, and on the top of box they written like it comes with 5 Newton meter of the uh, force, and it comes with a quarter inch hex chunk bits can support. And if you can see on top of that, there is torque selection also there, USB charging also there, then dual activation for the on and off. They are giving the single button. If you press long press, the it will run on more high speed, and it will run on the normal speed based on the how much you press the button. And it comes with like bits also, and you can see the charging cable on the box. As you see here, everything, this particular tool I purchased in Amazon in India, and I bought it around 3500 in Indian currency. And yeah, this is how the box came up with, and you can see everything like batteries and everything. Okay, and basic features, and when this is manufactured. And okay, you can, the boxes look that like that. And okay, let's see unbox. This is how box when open you can see this one. Okay, same like a Bosch regular theme only, the blue color box and with red color Bosch logo. And this is where you can see all the drill bits, not drill bits, especially the screwdriver bits. And you can see the extra connection also. And this is how the tool will be there. Tool is look there you go. And some basic information also you can see, and how we have to use the tool, and what and all it can, where you can use kind of thing. And this is how the tool is. Okay, when we can keep aside. And inside this one I think nothing is there. This is only empty box, and everything, all the they're not provide much documentation about this tool. And you can see the charging cable. Yeah, charging cable quality wise very good. You can see the quality. It's a basic type A and type C. But you can see this is only USB 2.0. But because of there is no data transfer, we are using this cable. Just we are using for charging purpose only. Okay, we can keep aside. This is the where the tool folder. The quality wise is very good. Little bit heavy, I can feel it. And the box also you can see what and all we are getting, like a Phillips. Okay, and some flat and some Trox 3 Trox bit, 2 flat, and 3 are the Phillips. We can see here bits. These are the screwdriver bits, and this is the tool you can see. Okay, when we see this tool, right? So I think this is where they are trying to showcase like a original product kind of thing, the Bosch hologram kind of thing. And this is where the power button, yeah, single button. This is what the forward and reverse. Okay, and you can see that currently it is maximum. Okay, this is where maximum. This is where you can adjust the torque. And if you turn on it, yeah, it comes with LEDs also. The LEDs are good, the brightness wise. And if you see on top of it, you are getting the type C charging port. Okay, and I think we can charge this particular device with our mobile charger. I think it will won't harm anything. And here also they're giving some basic information. BOSCH GO is the model, and 3601 JH2280. and 3.6 volts. I think this particular cordless screwdriver, right? Definitely, I think this is not a brushless motor. If you use the brush, I am expecting some brushless motor in this kind of compact model the Bosch is comes with. I think that is uh, very good for Bosch because of right, the brushless motor, they're giving the higher performance and low charging consumption. Definitely this is not a brushless motor inside it. I think definitely it's a um, brush motor only. I think DC motor. Let's see. I'm trying to charge with my Apple 20 watt charger. Let's see if we connect charger and if it show any charging indication kind of thing. I'm not getting any charging indication with all over the body, and here just LED is on. Okay, in case if you turn off, okay, nothing is happening. That means when you connect the charger, you cannot use this machine, definitely. And yeah, look and feel, it's everything, the chunk is perfectly fitting. Now comes to this one. I think this way we can lock it the bits. Yeah, we can disconnect and we can try. Yes. Let's see again. If you connect the charger, it will on. Okay, yeah, that is right. When you connect the charger, you cannot use the machine. When you disconnect it, I think definitely we can use it. Yes. Forward, backward. This is now right now it, by the way, if we keep middle position, nothing will run. Just it will show LED indicators on it. Yeah, we can bits wise quality is good, but I'm going to use my default impact bits. Just all these items at least we can keep aside. We can see the real performance. In the genuine case, let's see. I'm trying to repairing this BOSCH free space IZA 2120HZ integrated zone amplifier. Currently you can see this model. I come up with the video for this amplifier after repairing, also while doing repair. Currently we can we can try this Bosch screwdriver on this machine, and we can see that how performance is there. Just I am saying this is the magnetic bits I'm using currently. Already almost I opened all the screws just for showing. Only I'm using this one. Yeah, because of on top of the video I'm not able to seeing the what is the screw position here. That's the reason I feel little bit difficulty. Yes. I'm keeping everything aside for a minute. I I think yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Thanks. Bye.